This video tutorial I will cover using a factory bean how to inject date into bean property. Here I have defined the class employee. It has two properties, name and date of birth. Date of birth is type of java.util.date and getter and setter methods for these two properties. Here I have overridden toString method. This is a Spring configuration file. Here I have declared date format bean. In factory bean, I have mentioned date format bean, and factory method I have specified as parse. So parse method of symbol date format will be called to convert string date to java.util.date, and that date object will be injected into date of birth property of employee object. Here I have defined a class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting employee object from Spring container and displaying the employee object. Here you can see the output, and employee object name is set as Peter, and here you can see date of birth is injected.